We're looking here at a patient with CMT. We've put him on the MobileMat and we're going to look at using the S.A.M or sway analysis software. So standing on the mat with his hands on his hips, left foot and right foot, and you can see the amount of sway that he has, mainly anterior posterior, hands on hips, eyes open. And that measure is occurred over 8 seconds, and you can see the distance in centimetres is written there as 109.4 centimetres. In a healthy population, we're looking to see about 10 to 12 centimetres. You can see here on the dynamics, this is him walking over the mat. Only 30% of his body mass is applied to his left foot, 63 to his right whilst walking over it. You can also see that the centre of force trajectory line is much shorter on the left, meaning he's not using as much as that foot on the ground as he is with the right. And you can see here in the ground reaction force where we measure the force in kilograms by the seconds. The red is the right foot, the green on the left, and this supports the data that you saw with the centre of force trajectory line. He's spending far less time on that left foot than the right, so he's limping when he walks. And you can see as we look at the cross section here of where the heel crosses over to the forefoot, it's not bad on the right. He's a little early off the left foot heel, and you can see the green box down the bottom is the left. So we introduced an AFO known as a blue rocker, and then we assessed his balance. Again, his eyes are open and hands on hips, and you can see how little he is swaying. Now, there is 5 minutes between that initial recording and this recording, so nothing else has been done, same footwear in fact. And you can see that the distance in centimetres has gone from 109.4 centimetres to 16.59. And as I said earlier, the healthy range is between 10 and 12 centimetres. Again, we're looking at that left foot. We've improved that load time on the heel. He's spending a bit more time on the heel, which is giving him greater balance. And we can see here when we do the dynamics that we have 50-50. That means we've got 50% of the weight on his left foot and 50% on his right, as it should be. Whereas before the brace was applied, we only had 37% of his weight on the left and 63% on the right. So we're getting better symmetry. But if we look at the S.A.M, and that's what we're doing today, we can see on the left is the pre-AFO introduction, one on the right is the introduction of the AFO. This is great information for sharing with the patient and your referrers. The distance in sway pre-intervention, 109.4, and after intervention, 16.59. Sharing this information with the patient helps them to understand that you've actually done something for them, and they can actually see what's improved. Remembering a lot of our patients have conditions where they have peripheral neuropathy and can't actually feel what we've changed for them. This is the final picture, and this is the one we push and we show people. Here it is in real time. We're playing back the movie side by side of what occurred.